How to turn on two-step verification on Microsoft account. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn on the two-step verification for your Microsoft account. It could be an additional layer of security that will help you make your account more secure. So let's see how you can do that. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let us jump right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser on your PC or phone and simply search for Microsoft.com. And from here, you're just going to have to log into your Microsoft account. Click on your account icon at the top right and then click on My Account, which will open up a new tab where you have a control over all of your account settings. Once you land on your account manager, on the left side of your screen, you'll see different options like account info, subscription, devices, security, privacy. Just head over to the security tab where you have an option to change your two-step verification factors. So to do that, click on this account sections drop in and click on manage how I sign in. And you'll be taken to a different account. As you can see here on my two-step verification, it is turned off as of now. So in order to turn it on, just scroll down a bit and here under additional security settings, you'll find two-step verification. Click on this turn on option and then click on next. Once you have done that, you can choose how you can verify your identity. It could be an app, it could be an alternate email address or phone number. So I'm just going to click on alternate email address. And from here, in order to verify your email address, you could just enter your alternate email address and then click on next. If the email is already part of your security info, then it won't work. So what you're going to have to do is enter a different email address. But what I'm going to do now is use the app. So click on this turn on option, click on next again, and then from here you could choose the Authenticator app. So click on get now. And after you've done that, you will be able to download the Microsoft Authenticator app for your browser. So click on next. And now you can scan this QR code to add your account to your Authenticator. And that's how you do it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.